Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto, or BillMindYourCrypto.com, our brand new site. You can either join the PayPal link as well. You can have any method you like and you will get an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos every week, personal guidance every day, and of course market updates, live trading, our new addition right there, and we are going to have many more. This week we are going to have gems right there for you, and so do not forget to join us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see Cardano ADA and the risk metrics right now. On the 4-hour frame we have a very high risk. You can see the RSI is above the 70, while the commodity channel index above the 100, stochastic RSI above the 80, and of course the Fisher transform into the 5 to 6. Okay, so we have a pretty overbought situation right there, and we expect the sellers to kick in on the very short term. Okay, but let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame things are quite different. Although we have a very high risk due to the commodity channel index being in an overbought situation right here above the 100, we do not have the RSI being above the 70, so we can grow potentially even more with a higher low pattern right here. You can see the bullish RSI divergence as well, and the higher low pattern possibly going, for example, a little bit down and then climbing back up above the 70. This is what I think it will happen for ADA against USDT on the daily frame. And on the weekly frame, as we saw before in the video update, we have a bullish RSI divergence on the RSI. This is crazy. Okay, and on the weekly frame, ADA can potentially grow even more. So right now, yes, on the short term we have a little bit of a high risk. We are going to see the next price targets as well. Do not worry about that. And let's go to ADA against Bitcoin chart. A very interesting right there chart. And we have the next price targets. We achieved the price target that we had in the previous market update. And now if we close above this line, the 1.618, we can potentially go to the next one. Okay, we are on the daily frame, so each candlestick represents 1 day of price action, and now we need to see the daily close in order to decide if we are going to go to the next price target or we are going to consolidate a little bit due to the high risk we have both on the daily frame. Here for ADA against Bitcoin chart we have a high risk on the RSI as well, while as on ADA against USDT we didn't. Okay, so on the 4-hour frame we still have a very high risk. You can see about that the commodity channel index in an overbought as well, same with the stochastic RSI. So yes, maybe we can correct potentially a little bit going further down. Let's see some interesting support levels right here. First of all, we have this line right there, which is a very interesting support level. Okay, afterwards we are going to draw some Fibonacci retracement tool so we can decide some possible support levels, and here we have some extra support levels to walk at, okay, and to see. So we have the 0.382 and possibly the 0.5. If we are about to correct, we might be going there, and instead of going all the way down, we might be stopping on these levels and then have a buying pressure. We will see about that though, because ADA against Bitcoin chart, despite the fact that we have a very high risk, it is looking very good. The price action, despite the risk, is looking very nice. Again, we have to see and we have to check the price analysis, how the price corresponds to a high risk, how the price corresponds to a low risk. For example, we might be having an oversold situation. That means too many sellers have stepped in and we didn't get upwards. Okay, so right now we are going to go to ADA against USDT chart. Here you can see that on the daily frame I'm very optimistic that we can get towards the 1.73 Tether USD for ADA. Yeah, that's right. I know it sounds a little bit crazy right there, but I think that we can go and get it. Okay, of course we might not get it in the next 1 day or maybe the next 2. We might be consolidating a little bit and then go after for 5 days, for example, or 6 days, depending on Bitcoin as well, which Bitcoin right now is going sideways. It doesn't want to have a breakout or a breakdown. Right here, it allows some altcoins to pump up as well with this price action of Bitcoin. And you can see on the 4-hour frame, the good part is that we have the stochastic RSI already in an oversold situation. So it is very possible right here to have a little bit of a swing high for the Bitcoin and therefore go above the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. Okay, If this happens, this will help ADA as well. But at the same time, I think that 1.74 for ADA is very possible, okay, and we can achieve that. It is the 1.618 trend-based Fibonacci extension level. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit from this bottom back on 17 December to this top on 27 and to this bottom. Next targets after that could be the 2.15. Yeah, it sounds crazy. I know we were here back on 10 November, but it could be the case for ADA, okay? But we have first to go to the 1.74 and therefore see and therefore check there what is the next target. Okay, if we can manage to close above here, then we can go there, we can go after. Okay, at the same time, on the daily frame, you can see that ADA can go potentially into the 1.74. A very strong support level and the great rebuying entry for me for ADA would be the 1.48. Okay, once we go there, and especially near the 1.42, if we are about to retrace to have a healthy correction, okay, do not worry about that. It won't be something that we should panic. Okay, if we have a healthy correction, then we can go potentially there, have a nice buying entry for those that didn't get into ADA, and then go to the 1.74. We are going to see about that though. Right now, ADA looks very strong, especially with this weekly bullish RSI divergence that we saw back on 13 December and on 3rd January for ADA. Okay, and this was really great to see, and I think that that's why we can potentially see the 1.74. And not only, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. This week we have gem lists and you will get many profits, okay, and of course many other benefits. You can find all the different ways in our description box, and of course in the comment section. I'm going to have the site as well to join us. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.